Hello everyone, it's Stephanie here with Sunlight, and I'm excited today because I have the new Lenten unit study and it's the first one of its kind. I wanted to open it and show you what was in it. A little sneak peek, and then we'll do maybe a craft real quick. Join me. Okay, here is the box. Here's a little sneak peek. I'm gonna go through some of this stuff real quick, but I do want to point out there's some recipe cards in here from Sunlight and all kinds of craft materials that you need and some cardstock. And there is the unit study itself. This is going to be laid out similarly to the unit study you might have seen in the Advent unit study. So this is actually the schedule and everything that you'll need to work on. And there's the spine book, as well as some construction paper. Let's go through and find a really great craft and I'll bring you along. This was printed on a printer at Sunlight, so yours will look a little bit nicer. So I wanted to use week 5 as an example of what you would be working on for week 5. But more than anything, I thought it would be really easy to do these handprint Easter lily crafts. So it has scripture, it has a suggested library book, and then it also talks about what you'll be reading as well in the schedule as part of, it says like week 5 you'll read chapter 14, 15, and 16 spread throughout the week. And it also gives you scriptures that you will be memorizing, as well as suggested library books and craft activities. Week 5 doesn't have it, but generally there is some baking activity and some additional crafts. This one in particular just has a song and another craft option for you. So we're gonna work on that handprint Easter lilies. For this, you're gonna need a piece of white paper that is not in, it doesn't come with the kit. You're gonna need the green and yellow piping that does come with the kit, a pencil, tape, and scissors. Okay, I got my white piece of paper, got some tape and some scissors to be added. The first thing it says to do is trace an outline of your hand onto the white paper and cut it out, and then use the eraser to remove any pencil marks. Okay, next it says to curl the bottom of the hand shape into a cone, leaving a small hole at the bottom. So, the base large enough to fit a pipe cleaner into. Okay, so there's that. Okay, and then it wants us to close it with a small piece of tape. I don't know, I have problem gauging small, but there we are. And then it says to use a round pencil or pen or marker to curl the fingers, and it says don't necessarily use a hexagon pencil like this one because it will not work. So we're gonna curl them outward. Okay, so there's that. I'm gonna need a yellow and a green. And it says that we need like 6 inches. So I think that these are standard 12 inches, so we'll cut them in half. Okay. And then bend the yellow pipe cleaner in half. Make a J-shape hook on the end of the green pipe cleaner and loop it over the bend of the yellow pipe cleaner. So pinch the J shape in the green pipe cleaner and give it a small twist so it holds the yellow pipe cleaner in place. Then take the end of the yellow pipe cleaner and wrap it tightly around the shorter side to the center of the flower. Ta-da! Your lily is complete. You could make several more and tie a bow around them. So you have a bouquet of lilies. Give them to grandma, put them on the front porch, put them in a vase. No water needed. Enjoy! I hope you are planning on picking up the Lenten unit study from Sunlight. It's brand new this year. Lent starts in 2021 on February 17th, so you just have a few more weeks before Lent starts, and of course it runs 40 days. This is a great way for you to celebrate and prepare for Easter with your family. So purchase the Lenten unit study today to make sure you have it for the start of Lent on the 17th of February.